okushaba ngo barasingwe ncwamu y'akakiiko ka NRM bakita babesimbireho mu karuru ako kwatira NRM bendera byagambirwa mu kuhurro kwetombuyitwa ngo akaruru mbicweka byabo kakabamo enshobi nyingi
subira nti emisango ejagenda ku listi eyasooka jijja kuggwa okuwulirizibwa nga nnya ogw'omunaana lwe lunaku lwa Mande. Waliwo emirala egitali kwejo listi egyo jojja kuwulirwa ennaku nga 5 ogw'omunaana olwo lwakubiri olwa wiiki ejja. Bwe tunaamala egyo emisango tusuubira nti akakiiko kajja kuba kakomereza okuwulira emisango ejava mu kulonda okwaba MP flag bearer
abatireyo kwetombuyitwa nabo nubashaba akakiiko aka okukagendera amazimana n'oburinganiza bitwo watabarize Minister Chris Baryomunsi yashaba akakiiko kukagira ekikakoraho bwanyuma yo kwanga kurebeka kandi we Minister Rwamirama yagira ngo yahika tribunal biti yashanga omwe mbaye simbire nawe ataramumanyise ngo kuyamuha babire kandi aresire papura nuko kubacweramo ngo bagaruke sabite rukwija.
The tribunal has requested that they consolidate the petition, which is from one constituency. So we are going back to respond to the new petition.
Okay. What are the grounds in that first petition that you have seen? What are you looking at?
Well, the grounds we have responded, and these are issues really not of my concern. They are issues, they are not for me to respond really.
Honorable Minister Rwamirama na timu ye bakiba karuke nkondami ebicweke bingi omulisi njo nose nkarwetango sub county yona tabarate karuru masha sub county yona tabate karuru enkondami za kabingo sub county nyingi tizate karuru n'ebicweke byone byacyabishaho na mabona. So kumukimanya ijo register wisingiro na umukuru Katungi Robert tukakomplain kwa president nyo personally nkaseka message kandi bamukwata hatari umuchome kandi bakamukwata okuhindura results zakaruru
kandi we orukuru stongore cebiragira mu NRM nagira ngo tubarateho kibonerezo cyona ngo ahabwo ku bantu babane benda enkora eyo kuhereza amazima kandi ubwa hati bashize imishangwe kurengo mu 200.
I wouldn't support penalizing our members for bringing for bringing complaints. It is part of the electoral cycle. When we published the electoral roadmap, this was part of the electoral cycle, so you should expect that once you get into this election, it ends at a certain, it has steps, and it will include coming to the tribunal. So that shouldn't be a problem that we penalize people for. It is part of the electoral cycle, and once you have subjected yourself to the NRM electoral cycle, I think it is a fair cycle. Each of you has the right to participate at every stage of that cycle, and this is just one of those stages.
Akakiiko nekagendo misho na nukurikize mishangweji okusibiro bina ebyo kwezoku amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.